No one teaches you these tips at driving school, but they're exactly what make driving easier and more fuel efficient and keep your car lasting twice as long. From cooling your car in 10 seconds and fixing a cracked windshield with household items to anti-fog tricks, odor removal, or parking garage precision down to the inch, all come from the real-world experience of seasoned drivers. Each tip takes just a few seconds, but can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs and make every trip safer and way more comfortable. Here are 17 driving hacks that every pro nods along to. Spot on, no tweaks needed. You'll be awesome if you like this video. One, check fuel quality. A lot of people fill up at their usual station without ever wondering, is this gas clean? But in reality, low-quality fuel is a silent engine killer. It makes the car sluggish, guzzles more gas, and can even damage fuel injectors and oxygen sensors. The problem is you can't tell by eye whether the station is mixing in junk, unless the car starts shaking lightly, struggling to start, or the check engine light starts blinking. By then, it's already too late. There's a simple way to test fuel quality right at home. All you need is a sheet of white paper or a clean glass. Drop a few drops of gas onto the paper and let it evaporate. If the paper dries clean with no oily ring, the fuel is good. But if you see an oil ring or greasy streak, that's a sign the gas is mixed with oil or kerosene, the dirty kind that blackens spark plugs, weakens performance, and builds carbon in the combustion chamber. Another method, drip some gas onto glass and light it. If the burned ring stays white, the fuel is clean. But if it leaves a brown streak, it contains resin or impurities that gum up injectors and pistons. Want to check for water contamination? Pour a little into a clear jar and add a few crystals of potassium permanganate. If the liquid turns pink or purple, there's definitely water in the gas. 2. Use baking soda to deodorize the interior. Nothing ruins stepping into your car like hitting a wall of dampness, old food smells, or lingering cigarette smoke. You can spray air freshener or hang scent bags, but that just masks the odor. It doesn't really go away. A simpler, more effective fix is right in your kitchen. Baking soda. The white powder you thought was only for baking, but it's the go-to deodorizing secret trusted by veteran detailers. Baking soda absorbs moisture and neutralizes odors like a champ. Instead of covering smells with fake fragrance, it sucks up the odor molecules themselves. Just sprinkle a thin layer on seats, carpets, or wherever the smell is, leave it overnight, then vacuum it up. The next morning, the cabin air will feel light and fresh. If the odor is strong, repeat a few times the first week. You'll see clear results. You can also leave an open jar of baking soda under a seat. It quietly absorbs moisture, keeping the cabin air dry, especially handy in rainy season. After a few days, the old smell vanishes, leaving only a clean, comfortable vibe, like the car just got a deep clean. No pricey chemicals needed. A little baking soda is enough to keep your ride fresh and pleasant every day. 3. A lemon slice keeps you alert. Drowsiness behind the wheel is the most dangerous thing any driver has faced. Eyes drooping, head nodding, everything ahead starting to blur, and 1 second of distraction can have unthinkable consequences. Many crank up the music, roll down the windows, or pull over for coffee. But there's a faster, all-natural trick. A small lemon slice under your tongue. Lemon contains essential oils and mild acid that stimulate the nervous system, waking your senses almost instantly. When you hold the slice, the sourness boosts blood flow, sharpening your brain. It works as well as a shot of espresso. Long-haul drivers in the U.S. often keep a few lemon slices or a small bottle of lemon water in the car to fight sudden sleep attacks on the highway. 4. Use a potato to prevent foggy windows. Cold morning. You get in, start the engine, and within minutes the windshield fogs up solid. You wipe once, twice, but it just smears and gets worse. It's a situation every driver hates. It blocks your view and raises risk, especially at night or in rain. Few know a regular potato can fix it fast. The method is dead simple. Wash the potato, cut it in half, then gently rub the cut side on the inside of the glass. Let it dry naturally. Don't wipe. The thin starch layer creates an anti-condensation film so moisture can't stick and form droplets. When it's cold or humid, the glass will only fog lightly instead of going completely white. Here's the fun part. This trick isn't just for the windshield. It works on side mirrors and door windows too. Early morning drivers or folks in foggy areas swear by it instead of pricey anti-fog sprays. Quick tip, rub on a thin layer only. Too much starch leaves streaks when light hits. And if the glass is dirty, wipe it clean first so the coating goes on evenly. 5. Use nail polish to cover small scratches. Ever walk to your parked car and spot a fresh scratch on the door that makes you sigh? Maybe someone swung their door carelessly, or you grazed a wall while parking. It's a small mark, but enough to make the car look worn, and it stings if it's a new ride. Good news. You don't need the shop yet. A bottle of nail polish can fix it on the spot. It's super easy. First, clean the scratched area, dry it, and pick a polish color closest to your car. Most beauty stores have hundreds of shades, so matching isn't hard. Use the brush tip to lightly dab the scratch. Don't swipe hard, just enough to cover exposed metal. Wait a few minutes to dry, then gently buff with a soft cloth so the polish blends smoothly with the paint. 6. Use rice to absorb moisture in the car. If you've ever left your car outside overnight and woken up to wet windows and a damp smell all over the cabin, you know how annoying in-car humidity can be. It makes the interior smell musty, ages leather seats faster, fogs up the glass, and even invites mold to grow. Plenty of folks buy special desiccant packs, but your kitchen already has something cheaper that works just as well. Rice. Rice naturally pulls in moisture like a magnet. That's why people toss a wet phone in a bowl of it, and the same trick works for your car. It's dead simple. Fill 1 or 2 cups of rice into a small cloth bag, or an old sock, tie it tight, and place it under a seat or in a storage cubby. In just a few hours, the cabin air feels noticeably drier. For cars parked outside long-term or in humid areas, this stops moldy smells and morning window fog cold. If you just learned something new, comment the number 6. 7. Use rubber gloves to pick up pet hair. If you have a dog or cat that rides along, you're familiar with the nightmare of pet hair everywhere. No matter how many times you vacuum, one short trip and the seats are covered again. It gets into every crevice, upholstery, floor mats, even seat belts. Worst part? A regular vacuum can't grab it all. But detailers have a dead simple fix. Rubber gloves. Put on a pair of kitchen rubber gloves, dampen them lightly with water, and rub in circles over the seats or mats. The friction builds static electricity, and the hair clumps together in rolls. Just gather the rolls in vacuum or pick them off by hand. In a few minutes, the surface looks brand new, clean, smooth, and free of stubborn strands. 8. Cool the car super fast. Anyone who's parked in the sun knows the horror of stepping into a 4-wheeled oven. Seats scorching hot, steering wheel like a frying pan, air so thick you can barely breathe. Turning on the AC takes minutes to help, and every second feels like an hour. Here's a trick almost nobody knows. A couple of hand motions cool the car faster than the AC alone. First, open the driver's door and roll down the opposite window all the way. Then pump the driver's door open and shut hard 5 or 6 times in a row. Sounds weird, but each slam forces hot air out the far window. In 30 seconds, the interior can drop 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to sit without burning your back. This hack shines when the car's baked for hours, or you want to save fuel by delaying the AC. After pushing out the hot air, start the AC on medium. Use fresh air mode for 1 to 2 minutes, then switch to recirculate. The system cools way more efficiently. 9. Check engine oil quality with white paper. The engine is the heart of your car, and oil is the blood that keeps it running smoothly. But not everyone checks if that blood is still clean. Plenty of drivers just change oil on schedule and forget it can degrade faster in dusty conditions or short trips. Mechanics have a quick test using plain white paper. Warm the engine for a few minutes, shut it off, pop the hood, and drip a few drops from the dipstick onto white paper. Wait about 2 hours and check the spot. A clean, even ring with a clear center means the oil is still good, but a dark, thick center or gray smudges signal dirty oil. Time for a change. Worse, tiny shiny specks are metal flakes. The engine is wearing and needs immediate attention. 10. Seatback organizer for trips with kids. Long drives with little ones are a battle. They get bored fast, demand snacks, spill drinks, toss toys, and 30 minutes in, the car looks like a war zone. One cheap item, just a few bucks, keeps everything tidy. A seatback organizer. These hang right behind the front seats with pockets for water bottles, wipes, snacks, books, and even tablets. Instead of digging through the trunk or twisting around mid-drive, everything's within arm's reach. The cabin stays clean, and you stay focused on the road instead of playing referee. For families who road trip often, it's a must-have. Set it up smart. One zone per kid with toys, snacks, and a bottle. Keeps them happy and teaches them to stay organized. 11. Use silicone cupcake liners and cup holders. If you've ever tried cleaning car cup holders, you know it's a nightmare. Dried coffee rings, cookie crumbs, spilled soda, thick dust, all crammed into a tiny slot that's hard to reach with a rag. You wipe it clean, think it's done, and days later, it's filthy again. Here's a dead simple cheap fix that works like magic. Silicone cupcake liners. Just grab small silicone baking cups, the kind for cupcakes, and drop them in the holders. The flexible material fits snug, stays put, and handles heat. When coffee or water spills, it pools in the liner instead of seeping into the plastic cracks. At day's end, lift the liner and rinse it under the faucet, and it's spotless. No brushes or harsh cleaners needed. 12. Spray cooking oil to prevent door seals sticking. If you've ever yanked a car door on a cold morning, or worse, found it frozen shut, the culprit is the rubber weather stripping. In cold or humid weather, the seal absorbs moisture and glues itself to the metal frame. Forcing it open can tear the rubber or ruin its bounce, letting rain leak in. Replacing seals isn't cheap. Here's a kitchen cupboard fix: cooking spray. Spray a thin coat on a soft cloth and wipe the entire rubber edge. The oil leaves a slick film so the seal won't stick when temps drop. Follow with a dry cloth to remove excess and avoid dust buildup. It works better than you'd guess. The oil protects the surface and keeps rubber supple longer. Vaseline or silicone spray works too, but cooking oil is the cheapest and easiest to find. 13. Bay leaf under the tongue to ease motion sickness. Motion sickness haunts tons of passengers, especially on long trips or twisty mountain roads. Dizziness, nausea, spinning head. You just want the car to stop. Many pop anti-nausea pills, but they often cause drowsiness. Veteran European drivers swear by a natural, old-school trick: tuck a bay leaf under your tongue. Sounds odd, but it's legit. Bay leaves contain eucalyptal and cineol, oils that calm the stomach, relax nerves, and cut nausea. Holding the leaf releases the compound slowly, steadying your system and easing gut spasms without making you sleepy. Users say relief hits in minutes. Fresh or dried leaves work. Rinse, place under the tongue, and keep it there the whole ride. If the slight spice bothers you, add a dab of honey. 14. Rotate the steering wheel 180 degrees when parking in the sun. Midday sun, you return to the car and touch the wheel. Then yank your hand back because it's scorching. Every driver knows the pain. Parked outside, sunlight through the windshield turns the wheel into a mini skillet, over 130 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes. Here's a trick almost nobody thinks of. Twist the wheel 180 degrees before you walk away. Simple, but effective. The half you normally grip ends up on the bottom, shaded by the dash. The top half bakes instead, the part you won't touch. When you return, the grip area is cool enough to grab without a towel or gloves. If you live in a year-round sunny climate, pair it with a windshield sunshade or drape a thin jacket over the dash. For leather interiors, rotating the wheel also prevents cracking and fading from extreme heat. One move takes under 3 seconds, but makes a huge difference. Next time you park outside, twist the wheel before stepping out. You'll feel how this tiny habit makes getting back in way more comfortable. 15. Clear nail polish to stop windshield cracks from spreading. Driving on the highway, you hear a tiny tick on the windshield and spot a hairline crack. At first, it's nothing, but a few days of heat and rain turn it into a spider web. Full replacement is inevitable and expensive. Buy time with clear nail polish. It's easy. Clean the crack and make sure it's dry and dust-free. Use the brush to apply a thin layer along the entire line. Let it dry, then add a second coat. The polish acts like a sealant, filling micro gaps and blocking water or debris that causes expansion. It won't erase the crack, but it stabilizes the glass so the damage doesn't grow. 16. Use an acrylic sheet to block glare. Direct sunlight hitting your eyes is one of the most annoying things while driving, especially early morning or late afternoon. Even with the sun visor down, stray beams still sneak across the windshield, making your eyes sting and forcing you to squint. Over time, driving in harsh glare tires your eyes and can cause you to lose focus or swerve from dodging the light. Seasoned drivers share a brilliant hack borrowed from aviation: a clear acrylic sheet. The plastic is lightweight, flexible, and transparent, and sticks to the windshield with static. No glue or hooks needed. When the sun hits, just press the sheet over the bright spot. The difference is instant. It cuts glare without blocking your view, keeping your eyes comfortable and locked on the road. Bonus: acrylic filters some UV rays, protecting your skin and keeping the interior from fading. 17. Use a binder clip to keep charging cables tidy. Ever notice how, after a few phone charges in the car, the cable turns into a tangled mess? It gets caught on the shifter or wedged under the seat. Every time you need to plug in, you're fishing around a pile of junk. Worse, a dangling cord near the pedals can snag the gas. It takes 1 minute. Snap a large binder clip onto the edge of the dash, an air vent, or near the shifter, wherever you charge. Thread the cable through the metal loop. The cord stays put, untangled, out of the way, and easy to grab. For anyone running CarPlay or Android Auto, this is a lifesaver. If you want it even neater, stick the clip in place with double-sided foam tape or grab mini plastic cable clips made for wires. They're just a few bucks. Cheap, clean, and the cabin looks way sharper. One tiny detail makes the car feel well cared for. And best of all, no more digging for the cable mid-drive. These little tricks don't just keep your car cleaner and longer lasting, they make driving easier and safer every day. A few minutes of care and a couple of smart habits, and you dodge headaches while saving serious repair cash. Driving isn't just getting around, it's how you treat your ride. The more you look after it, the longer it lasts, and the smoother every trip feels. If this helped, hit subscribe.